Why would they even want to mess with a child? Why?
Because they asked me to say why I can't with my thinking. Now wow.
I've been watching you closely and trust me. There are some strange things about you.
But you don't even know me.
I don't need an entire lifetime to get to know you. What's important is that my heart has found you.
Shut up! Just shut your useless and bloody mouth up. Better watch your mouth. Because you were talking to Nancy else. You will face my wrath. You cannot kill me. Not even your goddess can penetrate me.
What I am saying is what is going on. I am telling you what is happening.
I have served you long enough. Let me be. Let me have my freedom.
She dares not try that. That is her breaking her oath of allegiance to the goddess.
I want you to get rid of her and take over her position.
I am the best of me when I'm with you. I want nothing more in this life. And I have never felt that way with anyone else.
Michael is my guy. And I'm not ready to lose him to any idiot, not even Nancy. A drop of Michael's blood, I will destroy you.
So much tears and so much pain. You see, the gift of the devil is so flashy, so difficult to resist. At the beginning it's so enticing, at the end of it you'll be in bondage. You are gonna have a sleepless night, scary day, and your night will be full of nightmares. You are not even sure of the next moment.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.